Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the image caption generator and head count using Python. So let's select any image and then click on submit button. Then model will generate the caption from input image and will count the total number of person. In the caption 1, a dog is playing with a horse in the water, and in caption 2, a black dog is jumping over a duck in a lake. Total head count will be 7 persons. Let's select any other image and then click on submit button. So model will generate the caption. Like caption 1 is, a man on a bike is jumping over a fence. A person is flipping a bike over large tree, and total head count 3 persons. Okay, let's select any other image. Let's select this image and then click on submit button. So it will generate the caption. A dog is jumping up to catch a ball in the match. Let's open the dataset folder. So this will be the complete dataset. Dataset images. This will be the model folder. This will be the notebook. Let's open the training code. This will be the complete model training code. You can also open in the notebook file. These are the graphs. This will be the head count detection code, and it will be the generate caption. So this will be the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.